Damero CS Travel Wet and Dry Bag with Handle for by Damero is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper wet bags products. High capacity, 2 PCS. Roomy enough to organize our wet and dry items. Lightweight design is easy to carry. Premium quality. Made of high quality material, sturdy, reusable, and machine wash, then hang dry. Note: could not hold something dripping wet but good for things that are damp. Smart design. Zipper closure contains the smell and odor pretty well. Double compartments designs is ideal to separate wet stuffs from the other items. Easy to carry. The sturdy handle straps with the snap allow you to attach the wet bag to the stroller or hang on anywhere, like doorknobs, towel rod. Must have. Well-made handy bag for travel or baby change times. Ideal size for diapers, wet swimsuit after the pool or beach, gym clothes after working out. Perfect for a shower gift.